Hey everybody, and welcome to video 5. In this video we are going to be looking at the where statement, but instead of using our common comparisons, we're going to look at how we can use and or to ask multiple questions in the where statement, and we're going to look at like, in, and between. So I hope you enjoy, and I will see you soon. Alrighty, so we're using the same table as the previous videos, so link is in the description. Go ahead and download that, find it, open up tblPerson with data, and run it so we're on the same page. So I have just the basic select statement that we've been using, and I'm going to go ahead and run it. And we know that we have a where statement. So first, let's look at and or. Now, and or really do follow the PEMDAS, or please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, order of operations, whatever you want to call that. That SQL will ask the where statement using something similar to that. So if we said, let's say, where iColor equals blue, if I can type, or iColor equals amber, and we run this, we will get iColors of both amber and blue. If instead of using, let me scroll up a little bit and just drag this down. Instead of using and, because if we say where iColor is blue and iColor is amber, we won't get anything because those two values cannot inhabit one single cell, one single item at the same time. But let's say we're thinking of, I want to see people where their eye color is blue or the eye color is amber and their hair color is black. And hair color equals black. And let's go ahead and run this. So what is going on right now is SQL is separating these into two chunks. We have eye color is blue or eye color is amber and black. We won't find amber or anything with another hair color other than black. So to avoid that, if you are actually looking for eye color equals blue or eye color equals amber, and the hair color must be black, we use parentheses. So we can put parentheses around our or statement just like we would in mathematics, the order of operations. Now our where questions are where the eye color is blue or amber and the hair color is black. So we will get different results. Right now we have 17 rows, and if we execute this again, we have 5 rows. The hair color is always black and the eye color is amber or blue, just like we were looking for. So this is a very important piece, the parentheses, when using multiple questions, multiple where statements, or a where clause. So we have, a question that we're looking for. Show me where people's eye color is blue or amber. Okay, that's one question. Let's wrap it in parentheses. We can even have it on one line if we so choose. And then we have another one. Oh, maybe the hair color is black or is dyed. Okay, that's another question. So we're going to pair these two questions up, execute them, and we'll get amber and blue only and black or dyed only. So that's how we're going to look at the or statement, because really the or statement is what throws this out, throws the where clause into a little tizzy. So instead of this statement, something or something, we can use a SQL unique statement called in. So I'm going to comment these two pieces out, and I'm going to write the same statement slightly different. So I want to see all of the data from the person table where the eye color is in open and close parentheses, and here's our separated values, just like a select statement, except, we are the character, we are looking for specific values, so we need to quote them. These are strings. Amber, if blue, and hair color in black, died. So these two statements are essentially the same. If I run it, I should only get 9 rows back, and the data does not change. It's a much cleaner way to look at something, to write something, and avoid getting into these and or conundrums where you're trying to wrap these in parentheses and you have like 10 of them, and But this is a SQL specific type filtering clause. We have in. We're just looking for these two values. We can add more or add less, and that's how we can do that. Another item I'd like to cover in the where's clause is the like. So I'm going to do like black. I'm going to remove this. So like is kind of like an equals. If I run this, I won't get anything because I'm looking at the wrong column. Where hair color like black. Hair color is black. But the like statement, unlike equals, supports a wildcard. So let's say I wanted to say starts with B. Where hair color starts with B, I could say B%. And that means the percent means there can be as many characters as you want, and we'll find it. Basically starts with B. So if I run this, I'll get black and blonde. So I can do like BL, because we have black and blonde both start with BL. And brown goes away because that was BR. The other wild card is an underscore. So BLACK. An underscore represents one character. So I want to, this like statement is saying I want to find a value that is 3 plus 2, 5 characters long, and starts with BL. If I run this, I'll only get black hair color back. So the like statement is very unique in the sense of sometimes you're looking for patterns. Like I'm looking for things that have an A in it. Anywhere in it, like %A%, A can be can have anything before it in the word or sentence and anything after it. When we run this, we get gray, we get black. And I think that's all the hair colors we have with an A in it. So like is a very powerful statement. It does come at a cost in operations, but when you're just digging through data, trying to remember, hey, I knew it was something like this, it's a very powerful tool. Later on, we will look into some other things that like can do. But for now, let's move on to between. So between is similar to greater than or equal to and less than or equal to combined. So I could say skin tone between 1 and 6. The results that will give me contain both 1 and 6. We call this inclusive. It includes both of these items. versus exclusive. Exclusive would not contain 1 or a 6. So this is an inclusive operator. Between 1 and 6 will give you 1 and 6, which also, like we were thinking about in the dictionary, between, let's say, blue and hazel, we get gray and brown and dyed. So between is another shorter way. Instead of writing hair color greater than or equal to blue and hair color less than or equal to hazel, we can just say between these two values. So that's all I wanted to cover today with the where statement and these additional terms. There is a video I have, a second practice problems that I highly recommend you should do. The link is in the description just to get some additional practice outside of this video. If you need any help, have any questions or comments, please leave a comment and I'll do my best to help you out. And like and subscribe. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.